Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make a slick smooth blowout. To do a smooth blowout after you shower, when you have a damp hair, and then we're gonna start using our style prep, which is the smooth infusion. And then this one, usually we can smooth for like your hair, control the frizzy. You squeeze it out a little bit and put on your hair. Make sure it's go through evenly from the mids to the ends. And after that, you can use some like leave-in treatment, which I'm really recommending. The botanical repair is really good for my hair because I did have some damage on my hair. And then just gonna squeeze it out a little bit, go even on your hair, and then go through your hair. This side too. And for the last, because I have color, which is a little like fashion colors on my hair, so I like to use a little bit for color conserve. This is a daily color protect. It's also a leave-in treatment, which is also helps you for daily color protecting. And gonna repeat for what I did for before. Pour your hand and go through evenly through your hair. At the end, we're gonna make sure we're gonna use a brush to comb through your hair before we blow out. Make sure the product is even on the hair. Okay, now you're ready for blowout. So for my personal habit, I like to blow out for the roots first, and then I'll take off the concentrator and then just put on the blow dryer. And when your hair is around 80% dry, I'll use a brush to comb it through first. And now I'm gonna use the brush and also put a concentrator on the blow dryer to make my hair more smooth and control the frizzy. This is how you do a smooth blowout. Subscribe for more tutorials, see the products below.